Hi, GC News. Mema Obibia Akwaba. Had latest and hot news in Kwa Aremeyaw Bremo. Amiti, so we are subscribe ya. Bomodia say, subscribe to the channel. Now, if we are, like video share. The way I answer, click the subscribe button. Now, belly notification. We answer new video dear Bible. For the first person I was at the video. I feel we are now on my thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. Nothing. Share my offer for so now. When you be here now, who and summer I also a Ghana memo. I think you're here and summer abeto ye conso. A year Agyapadie book here, Muslim I did just saying summer woman and yet a Sankatua and a move who ye papa. Now, when a year Kunadu Rawlings on it, former president, I win a baby for a year G.D. Rawlings. When home some woman apart one above one winner, a year something about Abonting. Now, I intend to marry some Wickěd and some wanted to die against some Agyapadie a trophy Kunadu Rawlings for any territory Rawlings and some woman Wickěd and some wanted to die fire something meaning some
his relationship with him and ensure a firm grip on him to avoid any damaging loose talk that may affect our chances so far. His public comments have been favorable. The MPP is talking about Nana Rawlings.
Yes.
Say, now I said the MPP led by Nana Kunadu Rawlings. The NDP led by Nana Kunadu Rawlings must be assisted to undertake its activities and to ensure that they file and contest the 2020 election. It is obvious that whoever votes
on YouTube.
Whatever votes will be garnered by the NDP will be vote that would otherwise have gone to the NDC. Obaima.
No, that way.
MPP for Tron Krata we say Nana Akufo-Addo Mombode so ne Rawlings be yonko.
Yeah.
NDC for ye nyina ngonwa say. Ubehunu baby na Nana Kunadu ahia Nana Akufo-Addo no ahage no. So yamana ye yaw.
A party
ase no invite Nana Kunadu. Party baby aboko program bia no invite Nana Kunadu ko no ne Nana Akufo-Addo ensa no mo ye anfe Nana Kunadu ko no de ne kunu ko Nana Kunadu ko no de Rawlings ko afi ye hwe na Nana Kunadu ne Nana Akufo-Addo ene Rawlings ababa ye nyonkofo isi na die na ekoso yi NDC fo nyina say na die sense president Rawlings ya original NDC campaign so on Nana Akufo-Addo do offend the short man.
Yes.
On Molidio, offend the short man.
That short man.
I feel all of a sudden they become best friends. Not knowing say book where they are told say a plan a woman yes a Rawlings factor. I'm a Rawlings yare ya didn't go to hospital. Sabe the tea and say Nana Kunadu frere Nana Akufo-Addo catch and say unua no da hospital wa how nya ho o see am fa nko nya ho e me yade no ko hospital ye ko hwe no wawu akọ ne pa ne ewu now book we kire say yambo Nana Kunadu with resources sika pickups yambo no bibia non file non contest esa say o contest here obi obeto aba ma Nana Kunadu bia na sa vote na say ke ko NDC wo nti wo mon say vote no man Nana Akufo-Addo na pa
bo samunyuma
obaka so mo no poison na wo mu me hu bitter Nana Akufo-Addo na pa mfo ne sa achimfo mo twiro sa buku yi obaka so mo no poison wo mo de enka wo mo hwe se bi obaka fa adwomboedo wo mo si wo mo de say Nana Akufo-Addo
page 22
item 2.4
okay
I see it is perhaps not too good to admit publicly but that his performance has been short of all general secretaries. Going forward, we should manage the level of competence which faces us as a serious political party. His actions and inactions are a complete definition of wealth accumulation agenda. I'm saying Oba John Boadu Mudia. You wouldn't compare your general secretary over the MPP general secretary near or no nya kra. Now, the all hearing United only the sikape na ope ampa. John Boadu so no ya galamsey bi. Said the report by. I'm saying his action and inactions are a complete definition of wealth accumulation agenda. His blatant involvement in galamsey in the Wasa, if found, could be an embarrassing state of affairs. Say, one general secretary, one to so ya galamsey, and pass a bad say, Uncle Forty say, or ya galamsey, no, I bayan Mugasia Mayina. Say the last say the last report prepared by Dr. Amwakutufuo affirms that the fact, as well as the revelation about the monies he took from 183 candidates for government appointees. Now, MPP for Nkrata we say John Boadu no ye ni general secretary no or momodin government appointment. Now, the oyi say oni nam no gigi sika fi government appointees wo. Sika no pe. Na ye be ni say yen kura ye hu no yen serenkyere no kakra yen serenkyere kakra say ye be pe obi a obetubi yi na John Boadu efiri ho na ye general secretary papa ba. Ensi. Wow. Wa he maami ye fe no osolo wusu. Nkrata we say woman man agenda say on close down radio stations. Now o close radio stations ni wie no. O say ye man 70%. I didn't tell man 70%. O say ye man also 70% because idea ye ka chene so ye ba wa anya ni nyina mo aye. O say o close radio station o ka chene say mo close radio gold. Now so I didn't tell mo close radio so when close radio gold and ka obi obeka said na na mo close aban NDC for radio station obeka say oh na say radio gold the NDC say you close here. Oh agenda no. Thank you na fa. Na so hima the omo ye ma me ye gu radio gold no ba ema obi ehunu say a agenda to kill NDC radio stations. Enti wo so man 70%. And also NC.
Then na ya sa mark wa.
Ya mark o. Enti wo ba go say ejuma ye de share won san wa ya na. Na omo ye wie no obuku we mu say omo ka kire Professor Den say radio stations need licensing, but one license 10 years license. Radio stations, MPP radio stations, no, one 10 years license. Actually, say obian to be found in San for the next 10 years into on Tuaye. Now, so I buy a Tuyama wom. Now, Ongu XYZ, Ongunu, Power FM, Ongunu, Capital Radio, Kumasi, Ongunu, Sa radio stations in your Ongugu, Nina, one crata. Na sa odwini MPP ho na sa odwini de wo mo ye ayo sa nkrata wo emu a eya rekuo edini na wonim aban no se de wo mo ye nyina no ade na o ka pay 28 eno pay 28 me da se hwe obahima me poso de awie ma rekuo kakra ne ekwan ya ye fa so ye de fa Bawumia o ko pay 2 Kodigi. MPP for say woman po bia de nia ti bebre so boy flag bearer.
News all time.
Okay.
Woman po bia de nia ti bebre so fa Kennedy Agyapong. Die yesi e be ye ntumi ye. E na ofa lankyeremanteng ye ntumi ve. Ye fa obi o ye mumu kakra. Thank you. The one that can control a poodle. See them kind. Huge. See, although the Santi group within the current MPP is gearing itself to take over the party after Nana in 2024, it will be ideal if we could work to bypass them in 2024 with hard work. We could work to pass the mantle over to a non-Akan person. A non-Akan person, preferably from the north, under whose presidency we could secure the maturity of our takeover project. Say you fa Kennedy Agyapong, na say you fa manager Agyapadie ompene. You fa Allan you fa manager Agyapadie ompene. Now so you fa candidate bi of the northern region. Now you fighting the manual. You bet me for Senate project. You bet me for Senate hostel. No. You bet me for Kosombo Dam. You bet me for PDS, electricity company. You bet me on manager Agyapadie. You bet me from. Esa say yen ye di 2 million shenensa. Some of your mampini or your mumu. Si you fan in chain. Niya ye di pasi. Adwene wo fom. Enne mini aba. So we share a kwanya Bawumia so fa so a. Or the contract e ma ni nuanom e fa ni nuanom no a. We share a kwanya Bawumia fa so e the contract ba ko ngotwe
Abraham Bawumia.
So sourcing Abraham Bawumia. Ane ne yere ka Mr. Aneta Bawumia. Ejuma womu ye ni contract ato mo se womu nyina pene so se as ejuma ye de be ma Bawumia se onye president obetina hom ye wiyo bomma no krono no wajatum enti onu so start chebi manunua na wanya sika de ye campaign oba because
Oma bomma no
oba nkofo na say o man Ghana kura
tibuku esi de na obeka say fake
na de ye areho ne se womu tumi ka se obi ti se nanabi se nanabi mama onye good nti mama ne Pablo enye debate da
so on the mole
I'm saying nanabi na furu na so keke na furu na so keke onima adwuma ya no ya yi no say youth organizer but onima adwuma no
yeah
de ebe ye say mama ye ma one Pablo enye debate ampa wo hwe Ghana ha 4 years or 8 years wo we say Pablo ni nanabi
dabi
omo mpene da
se nanabi na akase mo onko kahwe woni hweka
de onimu ane se ya de ambulance case ya kokko na no die chire no ya propaganda no gi sike enu no nim ye enti enwoma e wo bukrata we mu de na de me de be si me de be twato ene abani yo ma gene se obo beton
news on YouTube hot news all time
enti wo mo yo ma gene se
you're
obo beton
watching juicy news on YouTube hot news all time
yo papa bi e friend doctor Akentino sa painting one Director General of Senate. And see a uniform. Tenkurai. Good. See a uniform. And to me, page 6, item number I. EcoBank, under EcoBank. Or say we need somebody to be at the board chairman, to be on the board of EcoBank. Entity, I say the seat is occupied by Director General of Senate. In phase 2 of our agenda, Kofi Bosompim Osafo, who is a Deputy Director General of Senate, should be made the Director General to give him the seat on EcoBank board. Secondly, the wife of Ace Ankuma is the group head of commercial banking and a member of the executive management of EcoBank Group. Our intelligence is that both the role of Group CEO and the Managing Director of EcoBank, Ghana, will become vacant in the next 2 years or 3 years. Nana has been advised to use all diplomatic avenues to support Esankuma's wife to fill one of these impending vacancies. Into agenda. And see. Your one and Nana Akufo-Addo friend, Dr. Akentino say, say on step down as a Director General of Senate. Papa ne step down no happen. Nana Akufo-Addo say, "Wajuma so ni." Now so we have gotten to the second stage of the takeoff of Senate. Na yantiase. Not knowing say agenda ne say yemfa osafuma for ne ba no nkɔhyɛ ho. Yɛde ne kɔsɛ ho wi a. Now we take over Senate. No ma ton dia ma Rock City Group. Eno na nkae kɔso na say senyo kuje to ablakwa. Any trade union congress and can Nana Akufo-Addo etina ho ye din me yaton Senate hostel edema MPP for na nyankopon
for a TUC a group sahodo no mo ko hia man pani kra wo ho no omo chese na ne bu afu
me da se Nana Akufo-Addo onye vested interest in the takeover of senator the entina trade union ye ne contribute sika at the Senate and ye dey Senate ye and na wo ton ye Agyapadie na se menton Děath is a man paying the buffo.
Our interest.
Our interest. Dear Metit here. And it says, or they only take you over Senate to know. I got Nanano, our share or Rock City, Agyapadie, Sanamity. Many about medicine.
Yakache say, ye fakey. And yes, come here say. The energy our more exactly e de implement ade na yeson konko mo de hwesu buo man sa energy na anke ekoyenim na on say wi ase kwa e ba senso die aba bepie wo mo nso mo si document ye fake
inu abia me da se na memfa efri so da minchi a wo production team na fe minchi a menu ya de la na say edu a special prosecutor no so ye be kan Bible quotation into obi a otie bia nya krado na ene ese ye tuhyirewu into baby adela edikosi no wako mumo into wo hweme so be document na me yi kakra bi na me kurai me nkwa akiri. I want to deal with a surface one a forward no in yanim eno na in yanim no na first paragraph no me wia na mako 2 3 4 e bia 4 for 5 na me de atoa so na ye wie e ho na obehu say adwene bone a woka say obi wa adwene bone a wuyi MPP.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Now utum wim dialysis. Renal patient bebia obi kosa no ho yare. Asabo. Unso nipa wa asabo ne kura wo. What's the problem? What? No money. Nanso to be nyasika. Etumi koma achimabu Akwahene so mfa nu aduanua
de bi dware biem
festival wankasa utumi de bi fawim etufa etumi $12 million so wodi koye Pualugu dam ye kwenso a obobia bebi ana hwe ye na motorway dela me dela na motorway obi otie me bia wo kwachire enso wo ba be ye motorway 6 lanes and wo ko fa company bi wo friend Motor Angels. And what didn't buy one and a sign contract. Contract in Madia way. What didn't say we and woman $2.57 million. What the man and also Umubi Kangano and Okofa a grader and no do you baby Kakranka office. Aquana Paki Bioko Bridge.
I say, yeah, patchy. It's a number why it has a one quad.
A young way winning motorway will be on them who be a experience. Who can say the lion no more and that what the quota. Move any beauty man, or the quota and be good cement. Make us a bit of make a chance say, I didn't take it to the man. I'm penny and passing in and pass and I ask and papa say, and one answer go to him. Would what Junior and Cowbin say quota cement and cat.
A Sabinian Sabine the womb.
Yaba power near me pay mamma one is on fat motorway. Mamma coordinator was patching of that main position BIBM of the motorway. Mediana say a whole harbor na yes. Yeah, the pavement blocks and as a harbor. Look at the crane. I can see and the trucks effaso and yes, it's a concrete na say a motorway. Near we are so for machine. No one cut it. Size no. Now the pavement blocks no what's your size? No what you say? No go concrete. What finish? We way. No.
So will be sure na e ya bro na
be yi. There be good kotokum ne hia no. And then me start we na tie. Forward no. Paragraph 1. O say to our future made up of the present and the unborn. Ntie ni imprempreni any one man nanoma won ye. Nanado mu butai ni o. Nanado MPP Bawumia ti won asema wakani nipa won ye. And what the Ghana about show. Good. O say unborn for whom this will into a me find say inverted comment of a nation is being prepared to our foremost king Ofori Penny, the progenies the progenies spread across this world, for whom and to whom alone this sacred document is prepared. One was paragraph 1 no. Now I say, side the way document ni ade nyina wo pe Agyapadie ni ade nyina no e move won nchirima emira wowom ene nchirima won ye ene won Ofori Penny obi anim se achim abu Akwahene no sa na wo frɛ no Ofori Penny Ofori Penny no Ofori kuma na ye kuropon
do omo infin kwa say atwe ofori pani fie.
Good. Namuntie. Yanko 1 2 3 4 5 paragraph 5. Obi otie bi anko na itie. Currently, with Konadu in total control of the whole entity of Ghana. Chef Edmond, so onu na say o mangni nyina na eden e shede sa total control. That's what dominate obia. And no obeka na e adwuma. Ghana, we have a duty to ensure that we take over the commanding height of the essential fabric of the country, in order that even in the event that Nana leaves the scene after the mandatory 8 years, the sons and daughters of Ochemai will be firmly secured and such control, both financially and economically, that we can no longer be ignored in the battle to control the destiny of Ghana. This is a man buff. A maybe running the car send me. Wanga woni nim no me kan papa for wo wen this ma woni no o say okwana the way a man MPP fo etumi dey diabolic editia NDC government at that time say sa adwene no wonya no wode bo man na anko man na tumpom so sa yes sa adwene we enti me be kan awie na fe pepe
na Ghana ya modia
tie menko the next paragraph o say to achieve, we need to appropriate the fundamental economic and financial levers which would guarantee such control in years to come. Inti anya dia wo babaye ne 8 years, 12 years ahead. We planning sa obi o se menena no ma won ye. No oje Ghana Agyapade na tie. O say in doing this, we need to be strategic. We would have to work with other people from some of the diverse ethnic groups, including some carefully selected people in Asante and other diverse ethnicities or lands. What you say? The NTF wo we are Ghana and say
no.
It's economic, you know. And you want to say Kwaku Annan deal. Omangi ye mineral a year you want in resources na you want timber, diamond, gold, and then every year. Am I over $200 million every year? Into 3 years, no, am more than 600. You have found 600. What to me, Kobo, Ukophobia, Echo your company form. No one catch any part say, oh, my 500 million. Not for Ghana Agyapong, for man forever, over 20 years, 30 years. No handle, no fancy teneka. No, I just say Ghana is Ghana Wiano. What they move $500 million, Abraham. No, now will Agyapadie, Ghana mineral resources, no. Any amount every year, no. Sika baby and $1 or $200 million. The reason why I will say they want to handle and dominate the economic height, take control. What's a lance now? What Ghana apart from ethnic, you know, say Asante, a nipa was ethnic, a nipa dosun. We are young Konadu region, but Niyanko nipa biwom. Say young Wawa, so my Abujina Polans.
Yes. Ministry.
The Lakai, Ukawa. And Mugasi be anywhere for talking you. Include to Juma or any power the way. And then I'm one can include to Juma, also in Kisi Juma. Oh, said Kisi to Tiabon.
Raha, no, Raha.
Rough. No, what to do? No, I see a pong into when himself, Bujina Pon, no better my Sajuman. Iti region be our Nipa, what any Sajuman. Walk on Western and walk far. Obi to say ye nipa akwayo koka some 500 some binekuduka deputy
yes
it region bia na central region so won agu say crofo won to ebe use won to be na use asense buachi na de won aye adwuma ye wi a na pomfia himfi ye mfa ma no no so energy sector no control eni nti na ma Bawumia nia enya akwanya koye sa software na ukoto prepaid Bawumia office and aside in what hatchy, or friend hotel, If you Bawumia office, it will go to prepare the bia a home commission that go straight because Napono or you in charge. You see the whole thing. It lands and so few are Senia Bobia Kokase or Biabi Okuromia, no one in cantonment in Laboni land, Amano. I'm Okyehene office or Kwaku Annan, and the Akufo-Addo Babia. It to me and Jessica $6 million. I could be a restaurant. I will 4-acre land plot. I will come to me 4 acres.
Some Ghana, you
see, it is land now of Fafano. Nanko Bibi to me, Kukudrusa Achimota Otong. Nana, really, Achimota. Akwayana moves why you're suffering and say, oh, Suben Pass, sorry.
Solo.
There be Munipayana or PPP. Sir John Whaley or the part man forever. Charles Owusu. He said the government say, young Whaley will demo. Actually, you prefer to near Kwaku Annan.
You therefore Whaley and someone have to go away and somewhere I have to offer a Kunadu at my Rawlings when Jerry Rawlings when who somewhere war a year's eye to Agyapadie a wholesome Gyamfi to say, what do I want to say? Yeah, boy, a chin mafia for you when I bar. Bukui ababetwa bontia abete wa beto ate se munsem no ayebebre meka wo say distribute so na wo hwe no se we subscribe ya omodi ase wo be subscribe to the channel sanse hadie latest and hot news kwa na me de bremo I feel like video na share ma ofofro na oye bi hwe na wo hu ensem a ekoso share wadin e wo comment box mo beti nkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.